Welcome to our dishwasher face-off. Today we are comparing two popular models. The Kenmore 24 inches built-in stainless steel tub dishwasher and the Sharp SDW6504MS. Both are ENERGY STAR certified and promise efficient cleaning with low noise levels. Let's dive into their features and see how they stack up against each other. The Kenmore dishwasher is priced at $649 United States dollars, while the Sharp model comes in slightly cheaper at $599 United States dollars. This price difference may influence your decision, especially if you're looking for budget-friendly options. Both dishwashers operate at a noise level of 52 decibels, making them relatively quiet during operation. This is an important factor for those who prefer a peaceful kitchen environment while cleaning dishes. The Kenmore model boasts features like SmartWash, UltraWash, and SmartDry Plus, which enhance its cleaning capabilities. On the other hand, the Sharp dishwasher offers a hybrid tub design and accommodates up to 12 place settings, making it a versatile choice for families. In conclusion, both the Kenmore and Sharp dishwashers have their strengths. The Kenmore offers advanced features, while the Sharp provides a more budget-friendly option with solid performance. We hope this comparison helps you make an informed decision. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.